Hello. Okay, so let's assume you already have a cloud server and now you want to add Microsoft Office. Now, unfortunately, Microsoft make cloud-hosted providers do the subscription and the licensing on your behalf. And this is just to make sure that it's done properly and that people are paying for their subscription. So it does mean you can't use your own Office or Office 365 subscription, but what you can do to add Office to your MyQuickCloud cloud server is to go to the website here, MyQuickCloud.com, click login in the top right. I'm going to log in, and this is me. I'm just going to log in here. And then on the left-hand side here, if you go subscription and then overview, you should see, if you've already got a cloud server set up, then you'll see all of this information is already filled out. I'm only partway through setting this up as part of sort of a demonstration. So either way, what you want to do, just click up here, this green edit icon, click here. And if you scroll down, this is your cloud server here where you can pick the size. And then down here, you've got Microsoft Office. So you've got standard, which will give you Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. But you've also got Excel, Outlook, and Word. If you need any more, just send us an email, or you can use the chat now icon on the bottom right here. But let's say I want to give, I scroll up here, I've got 2 users. So let's say that's me and my colleague. So what I'm going to do is I want me and my colleague to both have access to Excel, but only I need access to Outlook. So I'm going to pick 2 for Excel and 1 for Outlook. I'm going to scroll up here. You can see that that's all added in. You can see the figures are all in pounds. As you can tell, I'm from the UK, but it was probably in dollars if you're in the US or Canada. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to say, yep, continue with payment. And you can fill out the rest of the details, or if you've already got those details filled out, then they'll already be there for you. Now, because I only wanted 1 Outlook, but I have 2 users, you'll need to let us know which of your users you want to have access. So a couple of ways you can do that. Either email us at support@myquickcloud.com, or once you've done this step, just click the little chat now icon down here, and it'll automatically fill in your information. Pick support, start the chat, and just say, hello, I have just signed up to Office on my cloud server, and I'd like to assign it to this user and not this user. And then our text will take care of the rest. So what we'll do is we'll install Office for you, assign the correct permissions, and let you know that that's all done by sending you back an email. If you do have any other questions at all, you can email us at support@myquickcloud.com, or again, just open a live chat down the bottom right of any of the pages on our website. Thank you very much.